Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger Black Friday discount coupon code deals. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can grab this amazing Hostinger Black Friday discount plus two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running Black Friday discount deal. So what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing Hostinger deal running right now, which you can simply claim it by selecting the claim button. And before I claim it, I want to tell you a few things regarding Hostinger. All of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing thing. If you scroll below, you can see around their Hostinger reviews, and if you click on the Trustpilot to actually see their reviews, you may be surprised to see that all of the reviews are 5-star reviews, and almost everyone says that this is an amazing company, and especially everyone is praising them for their support. Now scroll back, move over here, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount over discount. So simply select the claim deal over here and move on to their plans. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. Enjoy your Black Friday deals, plus I'm going to tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running discount deal. Now in order to get the discount, this discount is valid on any plan, guys, so you can choose with confidence. I recommend you guys to do a thorough research of these plans before you make any decision. Once you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any of the plan, because this discount is valid on any plan. Guys, you can claim this discount on any plan as per your convenience. Once you select the choose plan, now you may be landed over here. Now it's a huge discount running right now. I want you guys to take the maximum out of it. Select your billing period, because these prices are one-time exclusive prices for my audience, so these won't appear again. So in order to get this discount, I recommend you to opt for the 48 months, but again you can also opt for the 24 or 12 months deal as well, and you can enjoy this discount with them as well. For instance, we're going with a 48 month. To grab this discount, you're getting free domain and 3 extra months free setup. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount code to get additional discount on already running Black Friday discount deal. Now in order to grab this discount, make sure to click on the link in the description and use right of the coupon code. Like this coupon code got you further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well to get you further discount, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. So let's say we're going with the HI10, you simply apply this discount code and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal, and your 30 days money back guarantee is over here, so you can buy with confidence. After this, simply select the continue. Once you select the continue, you may be asked to log into your Hostinger account, or you need to create a new account at Hostinger. But since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm at the last part, and now you have to write your billing details over here. You can see your order summary over here and your billing details over here. You can see all of the plans. Your discount is loaded, discount, free domain, free setups, free extra months, premium 48 month special pricing just for my audience, because you guys have clicked on the special discount link. Now select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is selecting your payment methods. Make sure you have written your billing details correctly. After this, once you move over here, select any payment method, guys. Hostinger offer you variety payment methods to pay your payment on. You can pay at Hostinger through credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, Hostinger offer you variety payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience to enjoy this amazing discount. So let's say you're going with a credit card, write your credit card details at Hostinger and simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So the procedure, make sure, just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description, use either the discount coupon code as I told you, and enjoy your amazing Black Friday deal with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger with special discount coupon codes. Good luck.